Hey everyone, just a quick, super quick video just to let you know to check your email. If you, oh my brain. If you made an application to the form for the 30,000 giveaway for my arts, that has happened. The drawing has happened. I have emailed everybody who made a submission. Check your email and reply back to that same email with the information in there, and I will pop your submissions in the mail as soon as possible. Congratulations to everybody, and thank you so much for everybody's support. You guys had lovely things to say to me, and I really appreciate it. There are a couple of you who, I've had submissions from many countries. I know for sure from the responses I've had so far. I've had Sweden, I've had South Africa, I've had New Zealand, and I've had what was the last one? Spain, and I have had people from Washington, California, Alabama, Michigan. Those are the ones I've addressed so far. I'm sure that there's going to be more, but I just want to thank you guys so much for your support. I had some people who said that they have been here since my very first video, my very first one. You guys, I'm just, yeah, I'm overwhelmed. I want to thank you guys so much for your dedication and for supporting me in all of these endeavors. And like I said, check your email. All right, you guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something for someone today, and I will be back on your regularly scheduled broadcast. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.